to your channel. So today's video is going to be yet another hair review. And I just dropped the box on the floor. Today's going to be another hair review. Of course, I can't, wear the unit because I am currently rocking some dreadlocks. So I have my daughter being the model for the hair. Let me grab the box real quick that I just dropped. Girl, get it together, honey. So this is the name of the company right here. Hershow Hair. I think this is the first time I've ever worked with this company, but I will say I was extremely pleased with the unit, and as well as my daughter. And I actually let her go on the website and pick the unit out that she wanted to model for me in the hair review and for the company itself. So her birthday's coming up or whatever, and she kind of wanted a little exotic look or whatever. So just stay tuned, and I will show you the entire process that we did to the hair, the color of the hair, all that jazz. Again, any information related to this company, deals, specials, any codes, anything related to the website, it will always be linked down below in the description bar down there. So if you're interested in either the hair you see in the video or any other type of hair, just check down there and go and check out the site. And again, this is what the hair company name is here. And stay tuned, and I will show you what we done, how it turned out, and all that jazz. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this video. Again, don't forget to check the link down below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye. Okay, guys, so here is how the hair came packaged in the Hershow box, which is really, really cute. And it has my signature color on the inside, as you can see. 100% virgin human hair, and it is in the blonde color. I think this is 613 or 14, I'm not sure, and it is 24 inches in length. It is a body wave unit, and I'm just going to take it off the net and show you kind of how the hair is constructed. This unit is, I believe, a 360 because there's lace all around the entire perimeter of the unit. Of course, as you can see, looks like the knots have already been bleached. They weren't black or anything. Does come with the typical combs on the sides in the back, as well as adjustable straps. It looks like it has already been pre-plucked, but we will do some additional plucking. There are baby hairs up front. The lace was extremely soft. And I'm just showing you how the lace actually does go around the entire perimeter of the hair, which makes me think it's a 360. If I'm wrong, it'll be down in the description bar down below. The hair does have somewhat of a high luster on it, which most blonde hair typically does. But I will show you later on in the clips how we will get rid of that super shiny Barbie-ish looking hair. There's the wave pattern on the hair. Absolutely beautiful. And it is a very good density on this hair as well. So just stay tuned. Okay, so here we just like to try the unit on as it is straight out of the pack so that you can see what the unit looks like right out of the pack. Of course, I'm just pretty much showing you the baby hairs, the lace. We haven't did any of that stuff on the hair as of yet. And we're just kind of looking at the hair on her head so that we can kind of fit it or customize it more for her head, since she is the one that will be wearing it. As you can see, it could also be glued down in the back if you want to wear it in a high pony, which is again why I believe this is a 360. She won't be wearing it that way, but you could totally wear this in a top knot and it would be really, really cute in a sleek type of pony here. And I'm just going through looking at the knots on the hair as well. As you can see here. This is some really pretty hair. I was very, very pleased. Lots of baby hairs on it, as you can see there. We're just kind of looking at what it would look like pulled back and her hairline. Now, she did do the ball cap method underneath this unit, so that it will blend more and look more natural when we start parting it, or however we decide we want to style it. Later on in the video, you'll see that. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like out of the pack in its natural state. And then we are going to tweak it and customize it and make it more befitting for her. So just stay tuned. Okay, guys, so here's what the hair looks like completely done, flat iron tacked down. As you can see, the baby hairs in the front, she did lay those down. She actually cut them and used some regular gel just to lay those down. She did tweeze the part just a little bit, and later on she will off camera actually add a little bit of concealer in it to give it even a more natural look. Look how sleek this hair turned out, and the luster, how bright it is, not as brassy. So pretty. She's loving it, of course. And again, we're just showing you kind of what the hair looks like actually with her standing up and how straight it is.